Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your volume monitor on your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up, go to settings, and you want to go down to where you find digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on that. Now from here, scroll down to where you find the volume monitor. And as you can see from the little description, it says, check how loudly you're listening, right? So you can tap on that and you have to just go through a little setup here by simple click and start. And that's it. And from now, this is going to track your audio data to allow you to listen how loudly you're listening on your phone. So you can check the stats for weekly. You can tap on that and see for daily by clicking that button on the upper right hand side that shows weekly or daily, and this is going to record the data for you. If at any time you want to go back and check, you can simply click on the three dots and you can use volume control and you can enable or disable whatever you want here. As you can see, it's there on, and you can always go ahead and make changes there. As you can see at the bottom there, it's giving you a little tip. It says volume control is intended for headphones. If a Bluetooth speaker is being identified as a headphone, you can change the device type in your Bluetooth settings. So keep this in mind, but in a nutshell, that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.